Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, my mother was a polytheist. I used to invite her to Islam. One day I invited her to Islam. She whereupon passed such remarks about Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam as offended me. I went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam weeping and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I would invite my mother to Islam, but she would refuse. Today I invited her. She whereupon said such a word about you as offended me. You may invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to guide Abu Huraira's mother to the right path. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, grant Abu Huraira's mother guidance. I came out pleased with the supplication of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and when I reached the door of the house, it was shut. My mother heard the sound of my footsteps and said, O Abu Huraira, stay where you are. I then heard the sound of the waterfall. My mother took a bath, put on the shirt and came out hurriedly without wearing the dupatta. She then opened the door and said, O Abu Huraira, I bear witness that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and I bear witness that Muhammad is the bondsman of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle. I then went towards Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, shedding the tears of happiness. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accept glad tidings. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has accepted your invocation and guided Abu Huraira's mother. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam praised and glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and passed a good remark. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to instill my and my mother's love into his believing bondsmen and their love into our hearts. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, make this little servant of you, Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu, and his mother dear to your believing bondsmen, and make the believers dear to them. Then no Muslim was born who heard about me or saw me, but he loved me. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6346.